Resell hosted blueprints through your own brand and domain. So basically, Dollie is a WordPress plugin that allows you to offer your own WordPress hosting solution, or ready-to-use websites, akin to Squarespace and Wix. Installation. You can find Dollie on the WordPress repository. You can download it from there and upload it to your existing WordPress website, or even easier, install it straight from the plugins menu in your admin dashboard. After plugin installation. Dollie requires authentication with getdollie.com in order to work, so we'll need to connect with Dollie. We can log into our existing account or create a new one for new users. I'm already logged in, so I'll just have to press connect, but the process is really simple. After we've gone through these steps, we'll be automatically redirected back to our website, and we'll see that we've successfully connected with Dollie. After we've authenticated with Dollie, we'll be able to access all of the customization options for the plugin. Dollie comes with pre-made Elementor templates for the customer login, dashboard, launch new site, sites listing, and site pages, so you can get started selling right away. Now, all the pages are built with Elementor, so it's easy to customize them and add new widgets to them based upon your needs. In order to access them, we just need to update the database. And as we can see here, they have now been refreshed and applied. The deployment domain. By default, your deployment domain will be at a subdomain of dollie.io. You will be able to choose the name of your subdomain in the registration form when you connect with Dollie. Of course, you want to sell your service under your own brand, and for that we recommend adding a custom domain. You will have to point your domain's name service to PDNS 1, 2, and 3 before or after adding the domain here in the settings panel. We'll constantly check for those name servers and allow you to deploy under this domain only when the name servers have propagated. Just a heads up, it might take up to 24 hours. Until then, all your deployments will be created using the default deployment domain. Menu. What I like to do is add some Dollie menu items in Appearance, Menus, and just check under Screen Options and ensure that Dollie is checked. And from here, we can add the Dollie specific menu items. So let's just check all these off, and we'll add them to the menu. This means that no matter where our customers are on our site, they're able to go back to their site dashboard very simply and very easily. And we need to always make sure that these menu items are displayed in the primary menu. Then we click Save Menu. Required plugins. Dollie requires the following plugins: WooCommerce and WooCommerce subscriptions, in order for you to be able to sell your service. User switching is not mandatory, but it is nice if you want to quickly log in as a user from your website if you need to. Launching a site. And now I'm going to show you how to deploy a site. So we click on Launch New Site. And then in here, I'm just going to enter in a temporary domain, mom and pop shop. And then it will all be served at a subdomain of cormysites.me as we have indicated earlier. Then we also have some advanced settings here. So we can keep the admin user the same, or we can create some kind of password for it. Now Dollie is going to automatically remember this password, so there's no problem there. And then we create a site name. And then we say that's great, let's click Launch Site. Post-deployment. Okay, and after clicking the notification that my site is ready on the notification bar, I'm brought to an overview of the site. As we can see, there is a live screenshot of your new site, and this updates every 24 hours. You can also go to the site directly by clicking Visit, and this allows us to see the site. Or if you'd like to log into the WP admin of the site, you can click on Admin. There are also some site menu items here which you can change with the access controls in Dollie Settings Access Controls. We also see some various statistics like how many plugins are active inside the install, what theme is inside the install, the version of WordPress, the number of backups the site has, and a series of other details about the site. Let's just go into the WP admin of the site and install a theme on it. Options for our clients. Currently, our potential clients will only be able to launch a basic WordPress installation just like we did. However, blueprints now come to the rescue. So let's create a blueprint from the site that we've just created, and then we'll add it to our product. After this, our clients will be able to choose which blueprint to use for their new site, the default one or our awesome blueprint. Of course, you'll be able to create as many blueprints as you want, each with an intended purpose: a community website, a portfolio website, an e-commerce website. Basically, we offer our clients a ready-to-use website. Blueprints. Blueprints can be displayed on our website wherever you want using our shortcode. Blueprints can also be displayed in our Launch New Site form. So for example, we can update the website we just deployed, add some more plugins, make some other custom pages, then update the blueprint of it. So from now on, the new deployments that are using this blueprint will include the changes that we just made.